Honey, they said fall is around the corner, but I don't know where fall is because these Texas heat is doing numbers right now, okay? Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. So excited to be doing this video with you all today. We have a Amazon pre-fall, fall transition video, and I'm going to share some pieces with you all today, including this wig here that I purchased from Amazon. So cousins, if you are new here and you don't know who I am, my name is Shauna T, and on this channel, I do all things plus size fashion, and I talk entrepreneurship and content creation as well. So cousins, do me a couple, 2, 3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section down below, okay? So let's start with this beauty here that I have on, y'all. This wig is one that I purchased from Amazon. I buy a lot of things from Amazon, but I was like, let me try a affordable wig from Amazon. So this wig that I have on, y'all, is actually 28 inches. It's curly. There is light shedding to it. Now, I will say that you will need to customize this wig once you get it, okay? So it's not going to come out the box where the lace is laying down and all of that. This is a 13x4, which means that the lace goes from here to here on your head. But this is quick, easy maintenance hair. I call this fall hair or vacation hair. So it may be a little bit much to be wearing in the heat right now, but all you do, child, is put some mousse on it and curl it up and you go on about your day. I will say that there are multiple colors that are available in this wig. So for all of my cousins who like, girl, I don't wear color, give me my neutral 1B or give me my number 2. They have those available as well. So the first piece that we're going to get off into is this gray jogger set, pant set that I picked up from Amazon. So just in case if you guys see me looking down, I'm looking at my notes and I also have a computer over here as well so I can make sure that I give you all of the details, okay? So in this particular gray jumpsuit, I got a size 3X. Now, y'all listen, this is a perfect piece for you to go in and transition over to fall with. Now, as y'all can see, I've actually went in and paired it with my lavender dunks and also a lavender crossbody bag and then just some basic silver accessories. So y'all, this jumpsuit, I'm sorry, not jumpsuit, it's a 2-piece set. Correction, it's a 2-piece set. Comes in sizes extra large all the way up to a 5X that is available. I will say that this does run true to size. I am a 3X, 22, 24, and you guys can see how it's actually falling on me. Now the pants does have pockets, which is a plus, so you can put keys or lip gloss in your pocket if you absolutely need to. But I do recommend this piece. I do say this is actually good to transition over into the fall. It's not too thick of a material. And even when fall does come, you can always throw on a denim jacket or a moto jacket over this one because it is a gray neutral color that you can rock. So the next piece is a purple 2-piece short set. Now, y'all, I know we're talking about fall, but depending on where you're located, you may need this for one of these last minute summer activities or until the weather begins to cool down. But I love this piece, y'all. I kind of went for like a monochromatic look. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. A monochromatic look with this because I paired it with my lavender dunks again and just some silver jewelry. And then I grabbed my silver Glamour Holly Lifestyle bag to be able to rock with this look. So I say this is a last minute summer look that you can throw on. And because this is a set, you can definitely take this shirt and pair it with some jeans going off into the fall time as well. Now, with the sizing, I got a size 24 that is available, and that's the size that I'm wearing in this. But the sizes that are available are a size 16 to a size 24, and there are multiple colors that are available just in case you need to pick you up something really quick for, like I said, one of these last minute summer activities. Okay, so next we're going to get off into this burgundy jumpsuit, which is this one right here that I am wearing. So size wise, I got a 4X in this one, and I'm going to tell you guys, you're going to need to size up in this jumpsuit, especially if you got a lot of legs, hips, and body and surprise like I do. Okay, you will need to size up in this one. Now they have a ton of colors available, but the sizing runs from extra large all the way up to 5X in this particular jumpsuit that I have on. So let me tell y'all this. Here's my takeaway with this jumpsuit, okay? The takeaway is I don't like the pockets. I don't know why they chose to do the pockets the way that they did, but the pockets I'm not rocking with, right? Other than that, I like the jumpsuit. The material is not a heavy, thick material. It's, I'm gonna say it's medium weight, right? So it's easy for you to transition over into fall. You can still actually wear this in a different color. You don't have to get in this burgundy color as a summer outfit, and it's easy to style. As y'all can see, I put it on with my dunks and I accessorized it with some gold jewelry. It does have stretch in it, so that's a plus, which I totally love because it has stretch. And as y'all can see, I actually paired it with my burgundy glasses as well. So cute, simple look, transition to fall, throw on a jean jacket, moto jacket. You can rock this date night, running errands, because it's really a comfortable jumpsuit that you can actually wear. Like I said, the only thing I don't like about it is how the pockets are positioned. In my opinion, y'all could have put the pockets on the sides then versus putting the little pockets right there, because now you make me look like I got a big old baby onesie on. But I digress. I digress. Okay, let's go on to the next piece. Next, I want to get off into these camo pants that I purchased from Amazon. Y'all, I am in love with these camo pants. And let me tell y'all why I'm in love with these pants, because for the longest, I had been trying to find camo pants that fit my butt, because I got a lot of butt and I got a lot of hips. And these camo pants, I did get them in a 4X, but they have stretch in them. So y'all, when I originally ordered these pants, I ordered a 3X, and the 3X was like, it wasn't going to do it with the 3X. So I winds up sizing up to a 4X in these pants, and they fit perfect. So let me just tell y'all something. Camo is like a neutral that you can wear year around. It's like black or white, right? In my book, you can wear camo and pair it with so many different things. Now, of course, y'all see that I put it on with my orange t-shirt, some orange sneakers, right? And I paired my orange bag that I got from Amazon with this piece. So that's look number one, how I styled it. Look number two is how I went in and put it on with the denim vest, because if y'all didn't know, vests are trending right now, and I was wanting me a vest really, really bad, and I found me a vest over at Ashley Stewart's, and I paired it with these camo pants, put on my burgundy dunks, okay, put on me some gold accessories, and was able to rock it. So you guys can see how many different ways that you can rock these camo pants. It don't just have to be with a t-shirt. Like, you can really jazz up these camo pants. You can elevate it with putting some heels with it. I'm sorry, y'all. With this piece, but I definitely think you guys need to grab these camo pants for the fall, and like I said, just year round, because you can pair them with so many different pieces. Even color wise, you can mix and match these camo pants as well. So next, let's jump off into this orange jumpsuit that I picked up. So let me tell y'all what I don't like about the jumpsuit. The only thing I don't like about the jumpsuit is that on the sleeve, it has this black bow. Not for sure why they put the black bow right there, but other than that, that's the only thing I don't like about the jumpsuit. Something that you can easily take off and remove. But I just thought I'd tell y'all what I did like about it, okay? But other than that, the jumpsuit is super roomy. I think it's a great transitional piece for fall. It has pockets, and you can do a lot with it. You can put heels on with this jumpsuit. You can wear it to birthday parties, to dinner, to brunch, to pick up the kids from school. It's just a really comfy piece. And also, this jumpsuit has pockets as well, which we all know, honey, we love us some pockets on our clothing. But this jumpsuit is available in many colors, and they add the sizing for the jumpsuit actually starts from a medium all the way up to a 5X. Now, the size that I got off in the jumpsuit is a 4X in this jumpsuit, because I'm looking at where the jumpsuit is coming from, who it's made by, and also the reviews on Amazon. So anytime y'all hear me, especially when it comes to Amazon, sizing up to a 4X, just know that cousin has done her research, and that's why I'm sizing up a lot of times with Amazon, because a lot of times the vendors are overseas, or either when they are making the items on Amazon, sometimes the items on Amazon run a little irregular if you're not buying from some of the well-known brands that's on Amazon. So that's why I'm sizing up, and I'm letting you guys know that I sized up, because I know some of y'all may be shaped or built like me. You may have a stomach, you may have a bigger butt, bigger hips, and so you definitely want to be comfortable in your clothing. So that's why I'm letting y'all know, hey, size up. Don't go for your regular size. Go ahead and size up in your clothing. And this next piece, last but not least, honey, is this red 2-piece set. And let me tell y'all why I got this. I got this red 2-piece set because I was like, you know what? Christmas is coming up. And because Christmas is coming up, you may need you a cute casual outfit to wear to one of these gatherings or parties or something, and that way you can be in the holiday spirit with your red on, and you can be sexy. Because listen, baby, the fringe on these pants, it makes you just want to shake your butt. It makes you want to dance, okay, with this fringe. Now, y'all, I will say that there is a lot of stretch in the pants. There's a lot of stretch off in the shirt as well. Now, with the pants, with the set itself, I sized up to a 4X because I got a lot of butt and I got a lot of hips. Okay, y'all? And I wanted to make sure that I was comfortable, because, you know, sometimes when you wear tighter clothes, it just don't fall on you like it should. But by me sizing up, it falls on me just right, with no problems or anything like that. And as y'all can see, I just paired it with my gold purse and also some gold accessories with this to be able to rock. So y'all, if nothing else, go ahead and grab this. It's a comfortable set. You can wear it, like I said, during the holidays, or if Valentine's Day come around, or just because you like the color red. But that was one of the main reasons that I actually purchased it, because a lot of times around the holiday time, I have gatherings and things like that that I actually have to go to. So I'll be needing quick pieces that I can still be cute in, but get on out that door, okay? With a quickness, y'all. Now, with this one, I think I told you I did size up to a 4X in this one. Also, the sizing runs from a extra large to a 5X in this particular piece. Now, there are multiple colors available, okay, y'all? They have the long sleeve version, and then they have the sleeveless version of this pant set as well. So I did want to let you all know that. So even if you go on Amazon and you get the sleeveless version, you can still throw on, you know, a black moto jacket or whatever to be able to go into the fall time with it, and also even going off into the holiday season. Or if you, some of my cousins be having hot flashes. So for those of y'all who having hot flashes, you may be like, girl, now listen, these hot flashes is coming, so you may need it sleeveless, okay? You may need to wear it sleeveless for the time being, and that is absolutely okay. All right, y'all. I got one more piece I need to tell you guys about. Well, they're actually some shoes. So y'all, these blue shoes and also this blue purse that I picked up from Amazon. Now, with this particular outfit, y'all, the jeans that I have on, those jeans came from Ashley Stewart's. And this top, the top that I'm showing you, which is this army fatigue, it's actually a dress, okay? It's a dress that I paired and put with these jeans, just so that you guys know. It is absolutely no longer available. I personally used to sell, if y'all don't know, I had a plus size boutique, so that's where that actually came from. So it's no longer available because I no longer have a plus size boutique. I only have my t-shirts and loungewear that I sell. But the shoes, I had to tell y'all that because I knew that y'all was gonna ask me in the comments, like, girl, where this whole outfit come from? Okay, so the shoes and the purse actually came from Amazon, but I wanted to show you another way how you could rock camo, because like I said, it's a neutral. It's kind of like black or white in my book, but you can rock camo in so many different ways and with so many different colors. But that's the style inspiration that I want to give you all. In the event that you find you a camo shirt, or you go ahead and decide to pick up the camo pants, right? You can use this as some inspiration. But the shoes, y'all, I wear a size 12, 13 in my shoes. In this particular shoe, I sized up. I got a size 13 because the shoe is actually coming from overseas, okay? So when y'all go and you decide to order this shoe, please make sure that you read the description. It is coming from overseas. So if you know nothing else, the sizing from overseas is totally different from America. So that's why I went up to a 13 in this shoe. Sometimes when I order from the company, just depending on the make of the shoe, I'll go up to a 14 because it's coming from overseas. So they size and be off. Y'all know how it go. They size and be a little off. But yes, now the purse, of course, is just a cute little clutch purse that I picked up and paired with this outfit. So cousins, I hope y'all have enjoyed this pre-fall Amazon haul. I hope you guys pick up some pieces. If you need any of these pieces in your closet, I definitely will say all of these pieces are very much so affordable when it comes to, I think the highest thing that I purchased out of this haul was my wig, which was like $189. But like I said, it's human hair with the wig. Now, all of these things, y'all, are going to be linked in my Amazon storefront. You can look in the description box below. And I will also have a pinned comment with the links there as well. So make sure you guys go and shop. Please know that these links are my affiliate links. So yes, I will get some commission off of these links. I just have to say that just in case you all did not know that. Thank y'all in advance. Cousins, make sure that you guys are following me on social media, TikTok, Instagram. And also, if you've made it this far in the video, I want to drop a little bomb. I got something exciting to tell y'all. On Fridays, I am going to start a series. It's going to be called I Create University. And so I Create is going to be for all of my cousins who want to be entrepreneurs or inspiring influencers, content creators, or you may be at the beginning of your journey when it comes to entrepreneurship or creating content or getting the influencer game. So I'm going to be sharing from my very own expertise what it's like as far as being an entrepreneur and also doing influencing and creating content. So I named it I Create because we are definitely going to be focused on creating content for your brand or even as a personal brand as well, because in this day and age, you definitely need content, okay, for whatever it is that you're doing. So I'll be talking from my personal experience as far as me having my online business, which is Expressions Inc. So that's my specialty, which is e-commerce, and also creating content and how to grow and build a community around you as a personal brand or either your actual brand and products. So I hope that you guys tune in on Fridays when those videos drop. And this series is actually for, I would say, aspiring and also beginners, right? We're going to be going over everything, content, tools, all the things, how to get to the bag, because I know that's what y'all want to do. Y'all say, baby, I need to make this extra money, and how can I get there? I be knowing. So please make sure that you guys tune in every single Friday that is going to drop. I want to be able to help you all throughout my experience as well. So cousins, please don't forget to follow me on all social medias. And as I tell you guys at the end of every video, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently and make sure that you own it. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.